Hey everybody, welcome back. I want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. It was really wonderful to see the response and the support. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun what we're going to do. So in this first video, what I'd like to do is kind of introduce Greyscale Coloring 101. Just doing a simple coloring of the chameleon, the Panther Chameleon, out of my new book, Volume 3. And basically, I will just walk you through a quick how-to color, just using a few colored pencils out of a new set that was just released today from Tombow. Over the last two months, I drew 4 drawings using this new line of pencils. They asked me not to tell anything about it until they were released, so today I can. And they're the 1500s. They're a set of 36 colored pencils that comes in a metal tin. I really enjoyed doing the drawings with them, so I'm going to take 4 or 5 of the pencils out of the set and color the chameleon. So let's just walk along and walk through it, and I think once you see how easy it is to color in my books, you won't be able to stop if you haven't tried already. So let's get to it. So I chose 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. The red is number 25 from the set, the blue is 14, and the yellow is 4. And then I chose 2 secondary colors. Green is number 7, and orange is 25. I just start by laying down large sections of color, very roughly, not worrying about staying within any lines, and you can see it just starts to flow over top of the grayscale black lines underneath. I start with the eye just because it's fun, gives the drawing a little personality as I go, but you can really start anywhere. And then you can see I'm just laying down little sections of color very roughly. It's just not hard at all. And now I move on to the body, and I'm using red and yellow for the highlights on the red stripes, and green and yellow for the highlights on the green sections. So, and I just continue to repeat this throughout the whole drawing down the body, and do the same thing. You know, just having fun and blending a little bit. You'll see as you go along, it'll become easier and easier to do. Do the same thing onto the leg. You'll see the 2 legs and the back leg. Red stripes, little yellow highlights, and green and blue for the highlights. And it really gives the drawing depth. The tones come through the line drawing and really make your colors pop. Move on to the tail and do the same thing. And then when I get to the tree branch, all I do is take an orange and lay it over top. That's just one color and it makes it look brown. So you can see this is only 5 colors out of 36 from this set, and I'm able to give this much color to this drawing. Little edging, some lines around the stripes, which give it a nice little depth too on the outer areas you can see I'm doing. And then my last step is I grab the red and do the same thing, just line work around the colors, and it makes each color pop a little bit and gives it even more depth to the drawing. You can see there from the close-up. So it's just that easy. Just grab some colors, don't hesitate, have fun and enjoy. All right, see, wasn't that easy? It's really all about just having fun. There should be no intimidation or struggle at all. It's just fun. And thanks so much for watching this video. I really look forward to posting a lot more, and we'll just continue to have fun in this channel. If you have any questions or comments, please just let me know. Leave a comment below, and I'll make sure I'll get back to you. And the Tombow pencils, there's a link in the description. If you'd like to check out more about them, you can link over to Tombow through there. So thanks again. Always be creating. Till next time, take care.